I got the C63s downstairs and everything. The M5 is getting taken care of.
30 looks like it'll be bullish. I'm in longs on US 30. First trade with 50 points. Little reaction off it, off the longs. We up 500.
And the one thing that I've been noticing from the videos, like I'll speak on this a little bit.
Yeah, TP1 hit. We up
500 revenue. Because the M5 got cooked on. And good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. We are back with another trading day. If you didn't check out yesterday's video where some crazy shit went on, make sure you go check that out, bro. Because yesterday we had a crazy tale of events. I'm not going to speak too much on it. Just know it's all getting situated. And if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, go watch the vlog. I'm not even going to spoil nothing. You'll know when you know. So let's have a great day. Let's have a productive day. We're going to see if we can catch some trades. Yesterday we took 1 L. It was unfortunate because then it ended up going to TP. But you know what? You live and learn. You live to trade another day. Today, we're going to see what we can do. Still Thursday. Still got Friday left. We can still make the money we lost from the week. So we're going to see what we can do. Keep it slow. Try to get some funded payouts. Try to get some live withdrawal payouts. We're going to see what we can do, man. Just with that being said, no more yapping. Let's get straight onto the team.
930 looks like it'll be bullish. If it retraces, I'll watch the longs, but it look like it could just push into 930. Tricky, very tricky. I don't know. Price action wise, I would want to be bullish from here because I don't have any real reason to short. It didn't run my high. It didn't tap a gap for me. It looks like it hit this little 1 hour gap there, but for me to just be willing to short there, I can't make sense of that. It's just I would be chasing the market. Little reaction off it, off the longs. That's just reacting pretty damn fast. Just had to turn my camera back on. Get back over here. This shit moving before I can even. Shit, we about to see. Only time will tell, but I'm in longs on US 30. First trade with 50 points. 50 points is very small. Like I can get damn near 1 to 3 pretty easily within this range with this 50 points. If it holds. The way it's holding though, we about to hit TP1. About to hit TP1. Let's see though. If y'all in it, let's see what we can do. We up 500 out of the 5 we're risking. TP2 will be 1,000. I could get a 3, but like I said, I need to recuperate some losses. So, you know, yeah, that's what I'm doing. TP. Oh, bro, this shit is like, the wicks are wild. It hits TP and then it immediately go down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bro, it keep on going up and down. Look at this. Look. Come on, 30. You were so close to TP2 and you just start folding. You're like 30 points away, 20 points away. If I would have been having my 100 points like I had these other days, we would have been cooked. So it's really up to the market, to be honest. Like once that shit hit that little wow, I'm gonna close it. But if it keep doing this shit, we gonna be here waiting forever. All that just to get stopped at break even. Alright, that's fine. Very thorough. The alert never got hit. The alert never got hit. 1 point away as well. I'm about to watch these shorts right here on NAS. I'm thinking I might have to use 100. I'm already in, but I got in with 50, so I could add 100, but 50 doesn't. Now, that's the same one I was showing y'all earlier. I just waited for it to retrace. I got in, but I'm trying to figure out if I want to add the contract to make it 100 points, but if I make it 100, then I got to aim a little bit lower for the 1 to 2. Now, I know I'm going for 1 to 2, but if I'm trying to figure out if I should cut the trade from risking 50 to 100. In case this shit went bullshit. It's 2 points from TP1 earlier. You would think with these bullshit ass markets. Now yeah, TP1 hit, we up. That's what I'm saying. Shit's wild. Shit better not something break even, but it's close. Now yeah, it's about to hit break even. And just like that, 2 break evens. Like if you want the P&L, I just sent the P&L for the day. Like I had the US 30 longs, I hit TP1, and that was 3 points away from TP2. Ended up stopping me at break even. The shorts that I had on NAS 100, that ended up stopping me at break even just to do, guess what? Just to fall back down again. I lost $6. So, you know, I lost about $30 in total today. You know, it's break-even trades. It is what it is. And the one thing that I've been noticing from the videos, like I'll speak on this a little bit. I've been seeing a lot in the comments, people talk about, oh, just take profit at when you're up 1 to 1. Put it like this. If I'm risking $1,000 per trade and I'm taking $500 off at TP1, and then it goes back to stop me at break-even, I'm only going to be making $500 on that trade, right? If I would have taken $500 on these trades, I would have made money today, right? That's all hindsight. Keep in mind, though, if I'm not going to be cutting my losses short when it goes 50% of my stop loss, I'm not going to make money. If I'm not going to be willing to cut my losses extremely short
I'm not going to make money because my average wins are now going to be smaller. Because if I'm taking half of the trade off at TP1, that means even if it goes to TP2, TP3, TP4, I'm not going to be making 2 to 3 times what I was really risking. I'm going to be making now half of what I was risking because I just wanted to take a partial. Now, I understand hindsight is easy to say, oh, I could have taken that trade. I could have took money at 1-to-1 and I would have did this to make money. But you got to think long term. I know for a fact I'm going to let my stop losses hit. So if my average stop loss is $1,000, but my average win is now $500, that equity curve is just not there. I'd rather get stop break even and make no money for the chance of being able to make 2 to 3 times what I'm willing to risk in comparison to just taking what I can and then coming back tomorrow. And if I lose 1,000, if I lose 2 trades tomorrow, lose 2,000, I would only made what? 1,000 today. That's not good risk reward. You see the numbers, you got to make the numbers make sense, and that's why I do what I do. Trust me, I'm not trying to do anything to steer you guys wrong. Everything I'm telling you is from experience. And now, fuck these charts, fuck it all. I'm about to figure out what we're about to do with get this new car and everything when it comes to the new temporary car because the M5 got cooked on. But yeah, I'm about to shower up, get everything started. And yeah, let's get this day started. The trading right now, it's not the best, but you know what? All we can do is manage the trades. All we can do is manage risk. Guess what? I only lost $30 today. That could have been a minus $2,000 if I didn't do it correctly. Cool. I live to trade another day. There's always going to be another opportunity, and I'm not afraid to have that fear of missing out.
Alright, right now I'm inside of the C63 and everything. This is just me driving inside of the apartment. Didn't really drive it crazy. I mean, it's nice. I mean, I fuck with how it feels and everything. It feels like a nice little coupe. I haven't really... Definitely got some noise. I don't know. Is it in sport already? Oh, that was in comfort. Let me put it in sport plus. Okay. Sport plus. We're gonna see how this shit sounding. I ain't gonna lie, that shit do sound nice. It feels good too. Feels real good. I gotta take a shower so we can go actually go somewhere. This shit's... That shit's stupid.
I got the C63s downstairs and everything. The M5 is getting taken care of. I told you guys my boy's gonna get me right. So we got the new car and everything. I'm gonna put who I rented the car from in the comments. I'm gonna pin it in the comments. So if you want to come to Orlando or Tampa and you're looking for a car, go get one. But besides that, we're about to go get some food. We're gonna go to Target, get some food, and then later on we're gonna go to Busch Gardens. But we're not gonna go just yet. But maybe we do. I don't know. Regardless, we're just kind of going with the flow. Ain't really much to do. We cleaned the house and everything, so the house is clean. House is nice and clean now. Right, dogs? Yo, dog, why you over there? You know you gotta leave. And also, these were the plants that we got the other day. So for the people that didn't look, greenery. It's fake. But look how much better it makes everything look. Right? You approve, right, Luna? Yeah, come on. We gotta go over here, though. I'm sorry. We gotta leave. But yeah, I'm about to bring you guys into the car. I got the GoPro and everything, too, in my bag. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to get some POV footage and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video just yet. I'm still getting used to using it, starting to see how it all looks. I haven't used it during the day yet, so it's gonna be the first time I use it during the day. Yeah, see you in the car. All right, so here's the car right here. We got the C63 V8 bi-turbo, twin turbo with the black rims, and it's tinted, so it's good job. The only thing is a little bit old, but it's a 63, so it really doesn't matter because this shit is more powerful than all the cars that we've driven in terms of Mercedes. So yeah, let's get a nice little cold start. And also, I forgot, this, since it is older, it does have a key. There's a key. Here, you want to hold it? There and there. Nice little cold start, and that's in comfort. Go like that, go like that. I'll put it in sport later on, but if I were to remember, this is just in comfort. Okay. Get some food. About to go to the store. About to do what we do. Car right now, we're in a C63. I was recording it earlier, I'm pretty sure, so I probably got a little bit of footage. But right now, I'm about to get us out this garage. We're not in sport plus or anything right now. We're just in comfort.
Chinese, and I ain't gonna argue with you. So don't try to argue with me. Smoke in the air, get harder to see. Hot box the whip and the shit get.
I barely even hit the fucking gas.
Little bro lucky that we love them, niggas die for less. I been homeless, the tree LA like the rat. Yeah.
Are these whiteboards? Alright, so I'm about to get a whiteboard. I didn't come here for a whiteboard, but I want a whiteboard. But I want one that I can put like on a stand. They got the stands? I specifically want to be able to put my whiteboard on a stand, like the, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, because they got whiteboards, but not stands on the whiteboards. These are just like.
And this little ass one is
Alright, so we went to Michael's over there, Marshall's over there, then we went to Burlington, and then we went to Publix. And now we're going back to the C63 to put everything in here. This wide body. Look at that. Look how wide it is.
All right, we're back inside and everything. We got the plants. So one plant's over here. One plant's over here. One plant's outside. Another plant is by the TV. The plants are everywhere, but we got all the shopping done. We just ate some Chick-fil-A, just watching YouTube, and now we're about to paint. And then after that, we gotta go to the store again to get one thing later on. But besides that, we're just chilling at the crib. You good? She's over here staring at the camera, but yeah. Nova wants to be in the camera. You want to say anything, Nova? Oh, I don't know why you're over there, Nova. She's smelling your finger. I don't know what I'm gonna draw. Probably just gonna draw my logo or something along the lines of that. I don't know, but you'll see afterwards. Just chilling at the crib right now. A little chill day. But the C63 is crazy. The GoPro footage I showed you guys. Let me know how you feel about the GoPro footage. That's gonna be the first footage I got during the day. I'm not sure how it came out yet. I haven't edited it, but it's a fun car. We're gonna have it for a while still. But yeah, I'm gonna go probably show Jenner later on tonight because I gotta see him. But besides that, got nothing planned. So whatever I draw, you'll see next. All right, so I'm done with my pen in here. I'm about to turn the light on so I can show you my little masterpiece. Nothing crazy. If you look at it, it's just like a nice little, the world is yours with some mountains under it. FBA Capital. Some light, nothing crazy. I don't know what I was going for with this, but this is where we have it. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything with it. Don't know if I'm gonna hang it up. Hey, but hey, I'll take it. The world is yours. FBA Capital. And you guys seen us go to the store earlier. Got this bed for the dogs. I also got another tree. I got this one over here. I think I already showed y'all, but this is the one that we had got from one of the stores. But there's trees everywhere. The greenery definitely makes the vibe way better inside the apartment. Gives it some life. Because in here it's like a dark cave sometimes, but if you have some lights and everything, it's just all that better. But over here is my little work area right now. It's a little messy, but it's all good. Yeah, for the most part right now, I'm just getting this edited, a lot of the vlog and that content done. Don't know what's next on the agenda, but all I know is I got to get the rest of the content edited so I can get this video out for you guys. Trying to get back with the daily uploads. I know I've been slacking a little bit here and there, but also I forgot to tell you guys, I can do a push-up. Not a full push-up. I can't do a push-up like this, but I can do a push-up on my knuckles. I'm going to show you guys to show you I'm not lying. I'm about to turn this light on over here so you guys can see this bright ass light. Look at that. Then I'm gonna put this camera right there. Watch this. We about to get this push up with the knuckles. I can't do a push up on my wrist yet, but on my knuckles, I could do it. Oof. But for my wrist, it don't hurt at all. So that's a W. Not gonna lie, that's a W. But yeah, we could do the push-ups. I think tomorrow I'm gonna actually try to get back in the gym, try to actually go lift the full weights and everything. Last time I tried to, cooked myself, but we're gonna try again. Practice makes improvement. I'm not gonna not go to the gym no more. I'm gonna get back into the flow of things. I've been doing these push-ups all day, trying to get my arms get back into the flow of being moved. But besides that, let me get back to editing this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next portion, wherever I am. All right, right now I'm about to slide to Jenner. I'm about to chill with him. Where the key at? I keep on forgetting that this key is an actual key. Like, I'm so used to the new cars. Actually putting the key in the car is a little old for me. We about to get started. We about to head over to Jenner. We about to chill over there. I got my laptop and everything. Focus. I got my laptop and everything, so I'll be able to get the video edited and everything. But for the most part, it's just been a very slow day. I just been with my girlfriend, just as you guys seen the drawings and everything. But yeah, not every day is going to be all glamorous, it's all gloom. Like, yeah, I'm inside the C63, but guess what? I got this car mainly because I'm going to Miami about a week, and I wanted to have a good car, and I got a good price, so I got this car for a little bit longer because it made sense. But yeah, we're gonna have a good time. I forgot I had the GoPro in here also, so I'm about to also add some content in here. So let's get a little night drive. I'm about to slide it over to Jenner's, chill for a little bit.
You gotta learn how to use them paddles, bro.
Well, how is it like? What do I understand it?
Put that shit in manual mode right now. Yeah, nigga.
Now what?
So basically, you see that red line?
Yeah.
You basically want to shift this before you get there. You can
Every
shift
time?
it anywhere you want. It's basically dependent on how fast you want to go. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to rev it all the way to 7 before you click this, that means you want to go faster. You feel me? But if you just want to rev it up to like 5, 6, you want.
So if I'm just trying to go to that light, just chilling, I'm just going.
Yeah. Then you would go up to like 3, and then you would switch it every time. You feel me? And then when you go back, when you get to the light, you would put it back down to like 2, or it might do it automatically. You feel me? And then you would click it again.
Right. And I could just chill. I just make sure I don't go all the way up there, essentially.
Exactly. You feel me? And then you click it again, you shift. And then when you downshift, you can make it pop. So you only downshift when you're decelerating. You feel me? So you hear it want to pop a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Do it again.
Ah, nah,
You
good.
get it now?
I understand it now.
Alright, we back at the crib. I ain't gonna lie, from the footage I'm gonna just show you guys right now with the GoPro, he just showed me how to use the paddle shifters, and it just unlocked the new version of the car. Now that I can control the pops, I just became a whole new menace. I'm glad I learned it on the first day. The first day I got the car, I'm glad I learned the pops, because now it's over. I was already driving the car crazy, but now I can control the pops. Now I can control the pops. And now you can see he's over here watching his race car shit. Yeah, he's preparing for the streets. But now I'm about to more than likely end the vlog off. This is going to be one of the shorter ones, not going to lie. So with that being said, if you want to work with me one-on-one, first link in the description. Make sure you apply. You can get everything when it comes to lifetime access to live trading. You get everything with the content, the course, the one-on-ones, all the above. You get access to it, but make sure you apply because only a few people are going to be accepted. So that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and if you want to...
Yo, I was like, why you stop talking?
like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in another video.